There is something magical about stepping into nature, a moment where the noise of life softens and the rhythm of your own heartbeat catches up with you again. On Friday the 14th of November, I walked alone through the Water Sisulu Botanical Garden. And even though it's safe enough to walk solo, I'm reminded of how important it is to tread carefully, because these paths, as beautiful as they are, can be steep and uneven, but they are also sacred, and walking with them slowly brings a kind of peace you can't buy. The waterfall greeted me first, powerful, ancient and alive. The kind of sights that fills your lung with gratitude before you even realize you are breathing deeper. Every time I visit this place, I am reminded that nature is a healer, and she always knows exactly what my soul needs. I set out to walk 5 kilometers, but somehow I clocked 6. I still don't know where the extra kilometers slipped in, but perhaps it was just my spirit wandering a little bit longer than my feet. Every path here is well marked, well maintained, and so lovingly cared for. And the people you meet, fellow walkers, strangers, friends to be, they always meet you with a smile, a greeting, a little moment of humanity. It is one of the reasons I love this place so much. Along the way, I paused at the sculptures, these silent faces carved in color and expression, each one reminding me that even in stillness, art speaks. Each angle has its own story, and some way, walking past them feels like being blessed by wisdom you didn't ask for, but needed. Inside the Education Centre, I stopped to learn about the incredible birds, frogs and creatures living right here in Gauteng. From vultures with wings that glide 4 kilometers to tiny creatures we hardly notice. Yet they form part of the delicate balance that keeps this world alive. It reminded me that we are part of something much bigger, an ecosystem that breathes, adapts, and depends on us as much as we depend on it. Eventually, I found a bench beneath a massive old tree, a place to sit, to reflect, to breathe, to just be. It is in moments like these, away from the rush, the responsibility, the noise, that I remember who I am when everything else fell silent. So this walk, this simple, gentle walk, became a reminder. The soul doesn't need big gestures, it just needs space. A moment to reconnect, a path to follow, even if it adds an unexpected kilometer along the way. So here is to walking more, breathing more, savoring more, and allowing nature to bring us home to ourselves. One step, one tree, one waterfall, and one quiet moment at a time. This was a walk for the soul. Let's keep on walking together and keep on thriving. Thanks for watching.